Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry. Today I'm going to show you how to add the previous record salary while processing it to the target table using a variable port. Okay, before that, let me show you the tables which I have used. S underscore salary and T underscore salary is the two tables I have used here. Okay, let's go to the designer. I have already imported the source and target table. Okay, let me create a mapping for this. Okay, let me drag and drop this salary and the target. To calculate the previous salary, let us write an expression for this. So in this I don't want department number. Okay, can't remove it from here, so no need to worry. Okay, go here and add three more columns. Okay, let it be salary, previous salary 1, and let it, this one be previous cumulative salary, because we are calculating all the cumulative salaries for this. Okay, both are variable ports. So this will be the salary plus the previous salary validate. Okay, but right now the previous salary will be the just a salary itself. Okay, this is salary. So in this salary will be there, and p salary, the salary plus the previous salary, the both will be added here. Okay, I'll show you how it would add that. Okay, the same data I have taken in the notepad here. Initially this is the salary and this is a previous salary. So there will be no previous salary for this because I have selected like previous salary as just salary. In the beginning the salary doesn't have anything, so the same amount of salary will be present here also. In the next record, second record, the salary would be like 60,000 and the previous salary would be this 7,000. uh, so the total sum will be 86,000, these both sum. Okay, next what happens, next it takes the salary is this, and sum with this, and we get so much. So this is how it calculates here. Okay, let me change this output port as PCL1 because we get cumulative for both of that. Drop it in this, save it, create a workflow for this. Create a mapping. Change the connections to the respective databases. It is a source DB. Target DB. Okay. Okay. Let me run this. Go to the monitor. So it's running. It got succeeded. Let me check the number of rows it has affected here itself. 6 rows. Let me check in the backend also, verify with that. Okay, now you can see this. This is the total sum we got here. If you want to cross check that, you can check here itself, like select 7,000 plus 16,000, it gives you the 86,000, should give say 86,000. So similarly the calculation should be calculated to get the cumulative sum. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.